We're out here on Lake Huron. We're running away from a storm right now. The waves are swelling pretty good. We got the wind to our back, so it's not too bad. The wind's picking up. We're like, take a look at our sails. We're moving at 5 knots, and we barely got a sail out. It's pretty spicy to say the least. The waves are finally starting to calm down a bit. We were getting thrown around there for a while. Just got pretty nervous. Trina's not happy with me right now. We're still moving around about 4 knots. The wind has calmed down. I think we beat the storm that was rolling in. I tell you, that's probably one of the scariest moments we've had. I wish I could have had it on videotape, but we were getting tossed around and it felt like the boat was about to flip over. Just the wind took us. It was like a mini microburst. It was super intense. The storm caught up to us. We're not beating it. We're about to get hit, I think. The waves are starting to pick up again. Looks like we probably have a half hour of this. Did not impress Katrina. The wind's so fucked out here. It just shifted. Oh, okay, I gotta get off this. So I guess it's a good time to probably tell you guys what kind of boat we're running. So we got a Northern 29. It's a fin keel boat. It's roughly 7,500 pounds unloaded, I guess. 4.5 foot draft. I believe they measure that by sea, which is more buoyant, so we're probably a little bit deeper. Oh, I'm gonna have to trim my sails again. Fucking, where the hell do these waves come from? It's just starting to calm down. We got the sun now. We beat the storm. So right now we're on our way to Turnbull. We were supposed to make it to John Island, but it's not looking like we're gonna get there. It's just too choppy and not exactly enjoyable, and we're totally new sailors. My sail's having a fit up there. It's like we almost lost all our wind, and it's just so friggin' rough. But anyways, oh, there's my puppy. So this is Rue. This is Rue. She's a Lab Retriever mix. You're gonna throw up down there? No! You're gonna... Getting seasick. Anyways, so we'll continue this when we get to the anchorage. So this morning, I went to go let the dogs out. You can see Katrina's pulling the anchor in. The question is, where the fuck did the dinghy go? Dinghy's not here. She didn't strap it down. Going on a rescue dinghy mission. And she's in. Oh, who doesn't like that? So we're gonna bring the dogs to the shore and then take a shower ourselves. Roof. Hey, coming for a swim? Are we going for a swim? We are? You all taking baths? So we just left Turnbull Island and now we're on our way to John Island. We got some really nice winds right now. Got the front jib. It's a 155%. So she's out full right now. We're gonna leave the main down just because we are heeling over just with the jib out. This is our home, so we don't really like shit falling off the counters and whatnot. It's a nice day compared to yesterday. So we're about 2 miles out from John Island right now, and we're coming across the Godfrey Islands. Basically just rocks. Really pretty though. The winds are howling, we had to reef it. About like half a sail out right now. Still maintaining 4 to 5 knots. It's been pretty intense. The boat heeled over, we lost everything on our table, which is what I was trying to avoid. But I should have reefed it earlier knowing, but I didn't. But it is what it is. The puppies are relaxing. Lexi's passed out. Bruce chewing on a toothbrush. Just an absolutely gorgeous day. It's just too bad that the winds are just this high right now. It's nice having full sails out. It's just absolutely gorgeous. And you can see John Island up in the distance. So right now we're on Dutney Island. It's right across from John Island. I just heard something crack in the bush over there. Dogs are running. It's pretty. And then, I'm not sure if you'll be able to see, that's Manitoulin Island right across the way. It's actually a pretty shitty spot. It's the anchorage right in between Dutney and John Island. But it's just full of rock, there's no beach. It doesn't even seem natural. Just because it's like jagged rock. You'd think it'd be more like a river rock from the water pounded against it. Is it net worthy?
Now it's easy.
Can't see with this sun. Not net worthy? Oh, that's a good one. Bring him right in the net. That's a really good one. She's thick.
Whew.
Oh, you're tired, are you? I know, reeling in big fish.
That's like picture worthy.
Oh,
The other ones are not so much.
that's a nice one. You get the clampers. Now you're hooked on the net. Beauty. Just really giving her. Oh yeah! Look at that thing!
Wow.
This thing must be a beast. See how fucking hard that took?
Oh, coming in.
You see it?
Keep reeling.
Get the net. It's another huge one. It's another monster. Nice.
Oh, sorry.
Okay.
Wow. Another northern pike caught by Frodo here.
Fuck you. That's Derek. So we just left the John Island anchorage, and we set sails, except to see that there's no wind. Nothing. We're expected to get a little bit of wind in an hour or so, maybe 20-kilometer gusts if we're lucky, which pretty much means we'll be back in Blind River for this evening rather than this afternoon. So we're looking at probably a 7-hour sail from John Island. It's gonna be great fun. Our engine is fucked on the sailboat. It's not idling anymore. The dinghy we weren't able to fix either. Those screws are seized in there. I guess they're 80 years old also. So we got some problems. There's also a funk coming from our bed too, and I'm thinking they have a crack in our holding tank or we got a loose hose, but we didn't see that when we were looking for it. Other than that, we're gonna put some sausages on the barbie and wait for this friggin' wind to show up because we can't motor because our engine's fucked. So there's no storm. Well, there was a little bit, but we just got rained on for a couple seconds, really. And it's been a long day, slow day, but we're back to full sails now. Oh, through. Oh, there she goes. Anyways, still at Turnbull. Yeah, we lost all our wind. Seen the same damn rock. About 2 hours, the wind just started picking up again. Looks like we're gonna start moving. So we should be about 2.5 hours to Blind River, as long as we can maintain about 2.5 knots. We're currently doing 2 knots. But we'll see how this keeps going. Out to hit an island, let the dogs pee shortly, and we'll keep on going. So we're just about back at Blind River now. I'm taking a break from driving. We don't have autopilot, unfortunately. So it looks like it was a 6-hour passage. We lost wind a couple times. We had that freak storm thing come through, and then yeah, exciting. I'm sunburned. I forgot to put on sunscreen. There's Booby Tasses herself.